The topography of Mascoutah is relatively flat and current stormwater infrastructure is typically located at intersections. This means that mid-block ponding is likely after rain events. Ponding can be dangerous, especially in the winter. Main Street is owned and maintained by the state of Illinois between the curbs. Options for improving stormwater drainage along Main Street is limited. However, the city does have the ability to reduce contributing water volume by treating it on side streets before it can reach Main Street. Some side streets are excessively wide for their adjacent land uses and are candidates for stormwater volume reduction. Stormwater will collect along paved surfaces and flow towards stormwater inlets. In Mascoutah, those inlets are typically located at the corners of intersections and collect rainfall from both Main Street and side streets. The side streets are owned by the city of Mascoutah and are therefore candidates for stormwater volume reduction. The water flow shown here with a red X can be intercepted by rain gardens in the following two options. One option is to extend the curb and sidewalk on both sides of the street to create bump outs. By having these rain garden bump outs on both sides of the street, it defines the street entrance, narrows the pedestrian crossing distance, and improves accessibility, while also formalizing and protecting on-street parallel parking. The interior of these areas will be depressed and vegetated with flood-tolerant ornamental plantings. Rain gardens give stormwater an opportunity to pond temporarily and infiltrate, thereby reducing the amount of water on Main Street. The image on this slide is intended to represent how it might look to have bump outs and rain gardens on both sides of a side street entrance. An alternative would be to have one large rain garden on one side of the street. This has similar benefits in narrowing the pedestrian crossing and improving accessibility. However, this design allows for a larger overall area. The increased footprint provides an opportunity to include benches to display art and signage. Here, stormwater runoff is intercepted on one side of the street, but the larger rain garden bump out allows for increased infiltration as well as enhanced opportunities for seating, signage, and art.